Hey guys, Travis here again. You got a request to do the chili powder challenge. I've been putting this thing off because I'm not super excited about another spice challenge after doing the cinnamon. So we'll see what happens here. I got my teaspoon here. Got my chili powder here. Got me a plastic bag over here in case things go horribly wrong, which I expect they could. So all you gotta do is take this teaspoon here of this chili powder and put it down. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Alright. Get a nice big teaspoon here. Lord knows we'll make it just as miserable as we possibly can. Can you see that? Chili powder? Alright, here we go. Oh, damn. It's not good. Oh. 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 Woo! Another challenge successfully completed. Holy cow. Don't try that one at home. My mouth's still burning. It's horrible. Not like the cinnamon challenge, though. It's not the consistency issue as much as it is taste. It's pretty shitty. So there you have it. Cinnamon challenge. Done and over with. Thank God. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a great day.